go, let's go. We got about 2 minutes till the open. If you saw my watch list, you saw that I had MLGO as my top watch. It has since been gapping down. It's still on watch, but I'm a little cautious of it. You know, it's a Chinese ticker. Very, very hard tickers to play. And now it's kind of fell below yesterday's low, so that is not necessarily something I love. BBAI, they did do a PR, which is great for the first green day that I was looking for, but it doesn't really seem to be having any real effect on the stock because it's come back red. So we're just going to be cautious and let something come to us if it does, and if not, another day of no trading. But these are on my watch. LTRI has been on my watch for a breakout. It looks like they just dropped a PR for regaining compliance. But yeah, we got about 30 seconds until the market open. So we just gonna see what we get. Wait and be patient. 15 seconds to go. No rush, like I said. Especially BBAI, it's a choppy one. Just gonna see what we do here. Little life on MLGO here. Just gonna just push here. BBAI back green. Right at red green. If I miss it, I miss it. Ideally, this just chills out for a little bit, and then in a couple minutes breaks this line I've drawn here. That would be my ideal. Wants to go now, it looks like. I don't like to buy it when it just wicks. I like a full candle over it. Let's see if we can move it here. I am going to take it. I am long MLGO. My order did not fill. Okay, let's try it again. I am long MLGO here. Boom, let's go. See what we got. I ended up filling about 430 because I do like to wait a little bit just to see. I did say that if it's set up, I would take it, so I did take it. And now we just wait. We sell it at our risk, and we just try and be patient. Let it do what it's going to do. No in-between emotional decisions. Kind of like BBAI too, I'm not gonna lie. JTI with a lovely morning spike out the gate. Very nice. Just watching BBAI, and like I said, we are long MLGO. Looking for some volume, some push here. Would be lovely. Good trading is boring. So we just wait. There we go, baby. Let's go. That's what we're looking for. Come on, now let's go. Come on, man. Go green, and let's try and catch some shorts off guard. Let's go, baby. BBAI rather, still just toying around this red green. MLGO with a nice push so far. Trying to get it. Let's put this volume. Doesn't need to be so damn big, does it? Red green is obviously this line here, so would love for it to get over that. JTAI, man, what a beast this morning. There we go. Let's go. I need to warm this coffee up. Just put this one on the big screen since this is what we're trading here. You know, you always look left, right, for points of reference. So, let's go. Not too bad so far. I like to see the level too. So when I do this, I can't see that obviously, but I do have it up on another chart where I'm buying and selling so that no one can see all my broker information obviously. So I am still watching the level too. Not as much on a NASDAQ stock, but I just still like to see. Or the tape is something I don't. Come on, baby, let's go green here. Like I said, this is green, red right here. We would like a push green and some real momentum here. There we go, baby. Come on, green. Let's go. So far, not working out too bad. Working out pretty good on this reversal. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I hope everyone can hear me on this. Just try and be patient with it, you know? Obviously, you have expectancies and things you have, which you should base off of the data you have. Collecting these samples, enough samples will kind of give you an understanding of where and how far it should run. I'm actually just doing some calculations right now to make sure. $5.10 would be a target of mine, a first target, but if this can get going, I think we can move a couple bucks, man. So let's just see what's going on here. Let's just pull it up like this because I'm not going to trade anything else. So this is the action we're in right now. Here we go, baby. Come on. Lovely increase in volume. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Come on, let's break that 5 mark, baby. Obviously, the $5 is a whole number, which if you learn, if you look at anyone who's done this before you, they'll tell you whole numbers, half numbers, psychological levels. Okay, so now we got some pull. Before these would be moments where I'd be shaking out and just sell, sell, sell. But I'm just trying to stick to the plan here, you know? It's healthy for it to shake off after that little push. So let's see if we can get a second leg up now. You just got to be patient. You got to know what you're trading, how to trade it, and just have confidence and faith in your setups, man. If you have the data to back it, you'll be much, much more confident. And that's all this is. Stick to the script, like I always say. Don't veer off. See if we can get a secondary move on this. That is fucking beautiful, fam. Let's go. Come on, break this $5. I would love to break $5. MLGO through $5, baby. Let's fucking go. That's what we need. The key is also to not get too emotional either way. Too excited or too not. 510 was the first target, like I said. So let's see if we can hit this 530. I'll take a piece off. Big pull there. Whew. Let's check in on BBAI. I wasn't feeling that, so beautiful. Good avoid on my behalf there. Got a big yank here on MLGO. This is why you never get too excited either way. And I didn't take any off at the 510. I didn't get any filled, so I just left it alone. So we'll see what happens here. And we're just in this. It's either going to work or it's not. I mean, it started to work. I was going to take some off at 510. I didn't fill right before I pulled, and then I pulled my order because I didn't want to fill into all that weakness. But I do like this for another push higher. So we're just patient, man. We're just sitting here patient. Like I said, good trading is boring. I don't like that. These Chinese tickers are sketchy, man. I might look to exit here. See if we can reclaim green. Not feeling that. Wish I did get my fill at 510 for at least some I would have taken off and at least locked in. But and this is why you never get too happy or too sad. It's all part of the game, man. But let's see if we can reclaim here. I would love it to reclaim green. But China tickers, man. Very, very manipulated and very, very tricky. Would love a secondary push on this. If we could get back green, that would be a good start. There we go, back green. You can see that's green red if in case you can't see it. Come on, baby. More pull, not really any push when it went back green. BBAI, good avoid. Let's pull it back on this screen. I just feel like this definitely has a more range that it could bounce, but you know, given all the circumstances, you got to know what you're in, the environment you're in. Wish I did get some fills here in the 510, but it just didn't fill as I was trying to enter it, and it pulled, so I didn't sell, like I said, into the weakness. But I think this can come back, so we're just, it hasn't hit my risk or anything, you know. $40 minutes into the day. Not really the move I'm looking for, to be honest. I'm just trying to be patient with it. It's literally just sitting at red green. What we got? 10, 15, 10, 12. This consolidation here is either gonna push or it's gonna fail. Give it a couple more minutes and then I'm either just gonna set my stop and walk away or get out of it. Like I said, it's either gonna push or it's gonna fail. It's looking like it's going not in our favor. I'm gonna exit this. I'm actually gonna set a stop on it and walk away. I'm not gonna sit here all day and watch it because it technically hasn't hit my risk. So, but it is a China ticker. Something to know. But we did have a nice push. We had a nice move. It did hit my first PT, and I just wasn't able to exit any of it off. Not saying that it fails because I have a risk in mind and it's not at my risk. It's more closer to my entry. But being that I don't want to sit here all day just to watch this, I'm going to set a stop and I am going to walk away. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, I get stopped out. But that was my top watch. We did play it. We did not take any profits as of yet, but you could see the move. It was a valid move. It fit the criteria. It did set up. It's pulling a bit now, back under red-green, which I don't particularly like after this move, but it is not at my risk. So we are going to set it and walk away for now. And I will tap back in, make another video later, just based off how it goes. I mean, maybe it wants to make a move now. But this is why you try not to make any emotional decisions in between. You know, you have a plan, you have an entry, you have an exit. Everything in between is just noise. It's just emotional decisions. But yeah, I'm gonna lock it here. 45 minutes into the day. I hope everyone stays safe out there. I hope you was able to see this move and how they can work, how powerful they can be. Preferably not on a China stock that is just known to fucking sell off, sell off, sell off. But it was there, and like I said, if it's there, I gotta take it. Anyway, I'll tap back in later. Peace.